Hello there, family friends, and beautiful across the world. Joy Jones, back on the road. Well, first and foremost, let me say, I'm still here. I'm still here. I didn't go nowhere. It's just been crazy, man. We gotta be like looking like ninjas and stuff. You know, I'm here at the customer. Just picked up an empty. As you can see, I do intermodal. I do Swift intermodal, yes I do. From over the road to home daily, hauling intermodal containers. These units are so heavy, huge, and you always gotta, make sure you put these zip ties because of the T-lock. If it's not locked correctly, it can tilt over. It's dangerous, man. Dangerous work. I just gotta make sure all the zip ties are correctly on, And in some state, it's the law that you have to put these in. But on the east, on the Pennsylvania side, you don't, well, we follow instructions, so we do put them on. This is a brand new trailer, actually. Yeah, sometimes they all raggedy, rusty. So I gotta take this with me. We're gonna do a drop. And we already did a live unload. So now we're gonna take this to another customer. So that's all we do. We drop and hook or live load, live unload. And that's what we do all day, man. I've been here, I didn't go nowhere. There's a lot of trucking companies that want me, man. And there's a list of companies, man. I don't want to say no name. But yeah, they offer me more money, Some of them want to give me, to if I can lease their trucks, I'll pay monthly or pay weekly, however. But nah, I don't want to do that right now for the moment, So I'm here, I'm here. I can't complain about Swift, man. They treat me pretty good. They treat me pretty good. I can't really complain about them. I'm just locking this right now. What I like about this is this is new. So yeah, Swift, they do treat me nice. I can't really complain about them. They are an awesome team. I have an awesome team. The bosses, they're cool. Everybody's nice in the group. I did my pre-trip, just make sure that all the tires are, pretty much, there's no flats, I did my walk around, That's basically what I do, all day. Make sure everything is correct, no nothing suspicious looking, nothing loose. We do look under these containers, go on top of a truck. Everything is good. And this is one thing that I do extra. I put zip ties on these, man. Because what happens is that sometimes when you're coming out on the curve, they intend to pop off. So when they pop off, it's gonna stop. The whole trailer's gonna stop. Especially this red one here. See, the red one is the trailer emergency brake. And once you let this one go, it'll lock the brakes on this one and it won't go nowhere. So yet again, there's a lot of people that are, that are studying. They're studying the books. They are trying to get back in the, they're trying to get back on the books because of this pandemic. It causes a lot of people to don't go, again, listen, I always said it on all my videos, you should go ahead and do the study back at home. Get your commercial learner's permit first at home, before you go to school. Because what happened is that if you don't get your commercial learner's permit and you go straight to school, then that means that you're gonna have to study in school. But if you do it back at home, you're there in no time. And again, I'm still here. I didn't go nowhere. It's God is good. God has been good with me, and it's a blessing. And it's a blessing for many of you that are, that already had passed. They have the CLP. A lot of people be like, yo, Joey Jones, thank you, man. Thank you for the backup videos. Thank you for, you know, your support. And I'm here, you know. I've been answering my emails. I've been answering my phone. I've been answering text messages. You know, I didn't go nowhere. I'm still here. You know, I'm still Joey Jones. And it's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to help a lot of people, many, you know. And no, there's nobody pays me for this, you know. Nobody, I don't get nothing from, you know, for doing what I do. You know, I just get paid for my job. I don't get paid for uploading videos or doing videos, you know. But when I'm busy, I'm busy. You know, I'm busy. But again, you can email me, man, or you can send me a message on any of my videos and I'll get back to you. I get back to all my viewers, all my subscribers. I never let no one down. You know, now, of course, if, you know, you always got one that always got something dumb to say, then, you know, your message is going to get ignored, you know. That's it. That plain and simple, you know. I'm real and that's it. Everything that I say comes from the heart, right, my peoples? So focus on your, you know, focus on the books, focus on your truck. If you're already driving, focus on your mirrors, you know. Get out and look. You know, watch your following distance, man. You know, there's a lot of rear-ended, you know, these days. Because if you're looking on your phone texting, then you're gonna rear-end somebody. You don't want that, you know. But yeah, keep focused on the road. Use 3-point contact when you coming in and out the truck. That's really important. You know, you don't want to slip and hit your back of the head coming out of your truck, man. You know, watch your mirrors. Always keep them clean. You know, and yeah, stay focused, man. Stay focused. God bless you all. I pray for all my viewers and subscribers, man. You know, blessings to all. Love you all, man. I'll catch you in my next video, man. Hopefully we'll start doing more videos soon. You know, this pandemic thing is just crazy, man. It's just, you know, I'm trying to be safe. That's it. You know, all right, my peoples. So I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll catch you in my next video, man. Be safe. Stay safe. All right. Later.